Osteoarthritis, a common variety of arthritis due to damage of articular cartilage in a joint. Articular tissue is the part of joint structure at the ends of long bones which help us to avoid friction among the two bony ends during the movement and protect the joint structure from the damage. That's why this disease is also called as wear and tear disease. The causes of osteoarthritis is ongoing age, overweight, which leads to high pressure on the joints, especially knee joint, hip joint, and back bones. When compared to men, women are more prone to get this disease. Joint injuries during sports or during accidents of long back, which seems to be healed completely. Repeated pressure on particular joint as part of occupation or during day-to-day activities. A positive family history. Some people will have bones and cartilage defects right from their birth itself, which also more prone to get this disease when compared to other people. Though all body joints will be affected due to osteoarthritis, the joints frequently involved are hands, knees, hip joint, and spine. How best will be our treatment? We can reduce the pain severity, repairing the damaged cartilage to some extent, and preventing the further damage to the joint to improve the quality of life. Usually, osteoarthritis symptoms will develop gradually and will increase the severity over a period of time. The important symptoms are involved joint will give you pain during or after movement, pain with the stiffness of the joint, especially when waking up in the morning or after a period of rest during the daytime also. Tenderness on and around the joint. The range of the joint movement will be reduced. In case of advanced conditions, joint will give you crackling sound while moving. Swelling of the joint structure due to extra growth at the ends of the joint and soft tissue inflammation. When come to complications, as time passes, osteoarthritis will worsen, leads to severe pain and stiffness during movement of the joint, which ultimately makes the patient to attend their daily activities more difficult, to make them dependent on others, will further causes depression, anxiety, and sleeplessness due to pain. When it comes to treatment part, there is only pain management along with some adverse effects due to treatment, as most of the times the patient will be elderly only. But when it comes to homeopathy treatment, it will offer treatment with zero side effects by reducing the inflammation and repairing the damaged joint structure to some extent. If any comorbidity like BP, sugar, thyroid, it needs to be under control. For better results, proper diet, physiotherapy, walking, exercises, along with regular homeopathy treatment from a qualified expert doctor will definitely give you a better outcome. For online treatment information, call to our numbers displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching.